Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Venu X1 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. First, if you want to install applications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GARMIN Connect application. Also, you will need to connect your watch to the internet, so basically to Wi-Fi network. And to connect your watch to the Wi-Fi network, you need to press the upper button to open the menu. Then find the settings icon and tap on it. Next, we need to tap on connectivity. Then tap on Wi-Fi. And here you need to tap on My Networks. Tap on Search for Networks. The watch will look for the network nearby. Then you need to find the network you want to connect to and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will need to enter the password. And after you enter the password, you will tap on Done and it will start connecting. And once it's done connecting, the network will appear on the list of My Networks right here. Okay, and then you can press the lower button to go back. So once you have the internet connection on your watch and your watch is paired with a phone, we can continue and now we can install the applications. And to install applications on this watch, or rather you can install applications on this watch in two ways. The first way is to do it directly on the watch, and the other way is to use the Connect IQ Store application on the phone that is paired with your watch. And I recommend the second option, the Connect IQ Store application on the phone, because it's a lot more convenient in my opinion. But I'm gonna show you the both ways. So let's start with the directly on the watch. To do it, wake up the screen, or rather open the menu on your watch by pressing the upper button, then scroll down, find the Connect IQ Store icon and tap on it. It will open the store. That's how it looks like. You can scroll through the different options. We have must-haves, basically the recommended apps. Then we have browse, so you can browse the store for the apps and the list of installed apps. And to install the application, find the app you want to install first. So I'm gonna tap on browse and look for something. Let's say trending apps. And once you open the category, look for the app you want to install. As you can see, a lot of them are just watch faces. I just want to install the app. Here you have some applications, so let's tap on it. And then tap on install. It will start installing. And once it's done, it should direct you to the main page of the store, like this. And then if you go to list of installed application, the app should be right here on the list. And if you go back to home screen, you will see this pop-up telling you that the application was installed. And if you open the menu, the app will appear right here on the list. So that's how you install applications directly on the watch. Now, to do it through the phone application, first you need to install that application. So we need to go to our phone, open the App Store and download the Connect IQ Store application. So I'm gonna open the Play Store because I'm using Android, but it also works on iPhones. Type in Connect IQ and tap on search, and you should see this application with this icon. Install it. And once it's done installing, tap on open. Welcome. Continue. Check the box. Next. Allow the required permission. And now you should see the homepage of the App Store. So search for something you want to install. Let's say this one. Here we have the description. You can see the screenshots. You can see the reviews. The description, what the latest updates and stuff like that. That's why I say this method is a lot more convenient, because you can check more stats, you can see what you're installing more accurately, and you can also check the list of compatible devices if you're not sure that your watch is compatible. So let's scroll down through the list. look for the Venu, and it is on the list, which means that the app should work on our watch. And once you decide to install application, tap on install, tap on allow. It will be queued for the installation, and this might take some time. Maybe there's something in front of the app in the queue, basically. For example, some update or something. So wait until it's done installing. Like I said, it might take some time. But once it's done installing, you will see the pop-up in the app and probably on the watch as well. If you're not sure that there is something in the queue before the app, you can go back to the main page of the store, tap on your device right here, and here we have the download queue. And as you can see, the app is installing at the moment. So let's wait until it's done. And once the application is done installing, you will see the pop-up in the app and also on the watch. And if you open the list of my device apps right here, it will appear right here as well. Okay, and if we open the menu on the watch, it should be also right here. And if you tap on the icon, the app should open basically. Okay, and that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.